Hi, I'm Gbenga Artsmith, your jewelry tutor and coach. I'm the creative director of Gbenga Artsmith, a premium handcrafted accessory brand. In my over 14 years of being in this game, I've created thousands of handmade jewelry designs and produced millions of jewelry pieces. Two of the frequently asked questions I get is, how did you get into the jewelry business? What piqued your interest? To be honest, I got into jewelry making by accident. You see, I've always been a creative person, and before jewelry, I tried my hands on different artistic endeavors: textile design, fine art, writing, and so on. I first experimented with jewelry making in 2005 during a career fair at my local church back then. But it wasn't until 15 years ago that I took it seriously. A lady in my church named Mrs. Oyejobi, who was into different crafts, took a liking to me, and one day I told her about my desire to learn needlework and asked if she could teach me. She gave a positive response. I chose to learn needlework so I could do bead embroidery on the Ankara dresses my fashion designer sister made, as beaded Ankara clothing was a hot trend at that time. Mrs. Oyejobi tried to teach me needlework, but I just never got it right. Then I tried needlery, but that too didn't work. Finally, I tried jewelry making, and boy, I was like fish in water. It came so naturally to me, and after my first day of training, I'd made a lovely beaded jewelry which my older sister wore to work the next day. She got loads of compliments, and that was how I was introduced to her colleagues in the bank, who became my first set of customers. I started making good money for my first week in jewelry training. A business I started with little to nothing is now worth 7 figures. I have won multiple awards, and my work has been featured in both local and international media. I strongly believe this will be your story after my course, and I can hardly wait to see you excel. Congratulations are in order.